Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some cold conditions across the region this morning. Light winds. We'll see those winds pick up for this afternoon. And looks like we should see a wind advisory by mid to late afternoon this afternoon. Then we'll see windy conditions overnight with wind gusts possibly as high as 50 miles an hour by tomorrow morning with an Arctic boundary moving through. Also see a slight chance of a shower. And we'll see some mild conditions overnight comparatively what we've seen recently with temperatures in the 40s, but then we'll see those temperatures fall tomorrow afternoon into the 30s, and we'll see wind chills in the 20s. So big headline for the next 24 to 48 hours is going to be the windy conditions tomorrow as well as tonight, and the colder air moving in for Thursday afternoon to Friday. Looking at our current surface analysis, we have high pressure in control. It's going to slide off the coast today. That's going to allow for this cold front that's currently across the Midwest sweep across the region for tomorrow morning. So for our current observation, we have a few clouds at 11,000 feet, light winds out of the northwest, temperature at 32 degrees, and relative humidity around 80%. And taking a look at our satellite imagery, you can see we do have some clouds around 11,000 feet off to our north and west. Also have a cloud deck around 8,000 feet off to our west over the Ohio Valley. We'll see these clouds around 11,000 feet move through the region this morning, and then we'll see this cloud deck around 7,000 to 8,000 feet moving through the area for later this afternoon. And taking a look at the 3-kilometer NAM model and how that shows the reflectivity moving through the region tomorrow morning, you can see it does pop up a sprinkle overnight around 3 a.m. And then moving into tomorrow morning, we'll see that cold front moving through. Looks like around 10 to 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. And that's going to usher in those much colder temperatures as well as the strong winds across the region. So looking at our risk chart, high of 46 degrees today, a low tonight during the evening around 40, and then rising overnight into the lower to mid 40s. We'll see those winds gusting up to 25 knots by mid to late afternoon, and then overnight we'll continue to see those southwesterly winds increasing, sustained 20 to 25 knots, gusting as high as around 40 knots by tomorrow morning. And looking at our terminal forecast, we should see VFR conditions in the next 24 hours with our ceilings all above 3,000 feet. And if we do see those ceilings lower, it would be after 8 local tomorrow morning. Our tides are running normal. And looking at Thursday into Friday. Thursday, mostly cloudy with a slight chance of a shower in the morning. Otherwise, windy, cold, and partly cloudy. Wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour possible, especially with that cold front moving through during the morning hours. We'll see a morning high of 48. Temperatures falling into the mid-30s by mid-afternoon. We'll see our wind chills in the 20s Thursday afternoon. For Thursday night, partly cloudy, breezy, and cold. We'll see those wind chill values between 15 and 25 degrees throughout the overnight hours. We'll see a low around 27. And for Friday, we'll see partly to mostly cloudy skies, breezy and cold temperatures, high of only 39 degrees. We'll also see those winds gusting around 25 knots on Friday, especially in the morning hours. So it looks like we should see a wind advisory in the morning hours on Friday. And with those breezes and the temperatures in the 30s, we'll continue to see wind chills in the 20s and lower 30s for Friday as well. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Hope everybody has a great day today. We'll be back at 10 o'clock in like 7 days.